Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So in this video, I will be creating such amazing DIY products that you can make at your home under 5 minutes. Plus this video is most requested video and this video is going to be very informative plus useful. So watch this video till end. Hope you like it. And by using such amazing products, you can make such amazing DIYs. The link of this video is in the description box, so please check out the description bar. And now without any further ado, let's get straight into the video. So our first DIY is 3D outliners. For this, all we need is 1 tablespoon of POP or baby powder, 1 tablespoon of glue and few drops of water if needed. Mix the mixture well and add some acrylic colors. The ratio is also pretty simple, 1:1:1. So if you have any questions in your mind that do these DIYs really work, then I will say you yes, because I'm using them from years and they work amazing. And I have discussed about these DIYs in my previous videos and you guys wanted to know. So that is why I have came up with this video. So watch this video till end. Moving to the next step, making cones, and these are very easy to make. Take a rectangular sheet and roll it something like this to get a cone shape and secure the end as shown in the video. So now simply pour the mixture into this and secure the end with some elastic band, and yeah, you're done with it. Here I will be using an elastic band to secure the ends of this cone. Now make a small hole on the one side of the cone and secure the end with a ball pin. So I have made them in different colors. So let's check how do they work. And as you can see, they work amazing. And this is how strong they are. Like after drying, it looks something like this. And for more ideas, check out this video. Link is in the description bar. Our second DIY is most requested DIY, it's MudClay. For this, all we need is 4 tablespoons of POP. Instead of that, you can use baby powder or white putty. And next add 3 tablespoons of glue, white glue, and next add 1 tablespoon of water. And then mix it well, and next knead the clay into a soft dough as shown in the video. And the ratio is pretty simple, 4:3 or 4:3:1. 1 is nothing but color. If you want color, you can simply add the color. And yeah, you're done with your clay. But I like to mention something. Mud clay is different from air dried clay. And you're done with your clay. It is super soft, and recently I have made them with this clay. The link of that video is in the description box. Please check out that. So coming to storing, you can store this in a Ziploc bag plus in an airtight container. Now you can store this in a freezer. What actually happens when you keep this in a freezer, the moisture which is present in the clay get freeze and it lasts for days. Our next DIY is Chalkpaint. For this, all we need is 2 tablespoons of POP, 1 teaspoon of glue, and few drops of water if needed. Mix the mixture well and make sure that the consistency should not be much thick or runny. For example, it should be similarly like acrylic colors or poster colors. Next, add white as a base color. don't skip to add white acrylic color. It's very important. And the ratio is also pretty simple, 2:1:1. Now it's time to color your chalk paints. So you can color your chalk paints in different colors with acrylic colors. So now I would like to color my chalk paint in blue and green. So now I will be mixing blue and green. The ratio is also pretty simple, 2:1. 2 is blue, 1 is green. Once you're satisfied with your color, and once you're done, store it in an airtight container and it lasts for months. So yeah, we are done with our chalk paints. Our next DIY is gesso. For this, all we need is 3 tablespoons of POP. Instead of, you can use a baby powder or white putty. And next we need to add 2 tablespoons of white glue. And next add 1 teaspoon of water if needed. And then mix the mixture well and make sure that the consistency should be like paste or thicker than the chalk paints. And you can add some glue if needed. If you want, you can add some colors. It's totally up to you. Usually we get gesso in black and white color. If you want, you can make in some other colors. And make sure the consistency should be like a paste. It should not be much runny like chalk paint. And coming to ratio of this product, it's pretty simple. That is 3:2:1. Again, 1 is nothing but color. And store this in an airtight container in a normal room temperature and it lasts for months. So yeah, we are done with our DIY. Yeah, here is the end result. Give this video a big thumbs up and thanks for watching this video.